So the first thing we're going to be doing is making our applesauce, which is super easy, just 2 ingredients. And what's really nice about it is no one likes bruised apples, right?
Right.
So you can just throw them right into here, and then you don't have to. You can't tell.
You don't worry about it, right? You're gonna cook them down.
Yes, and then what's great about this is that you can add cinnamon or pears to make it the flavor applesauce and consistency that you want.
Yeah.
Right.
So you just simmer this, and then this is the final product.
Yummy.
Yeah. All right, and then.
And healthy and no added sugar.
Yep. Yeah. You mash that down. You know, we like to put it in our food processor, but you can just mash it with a fork to get the desired consistency.
So first, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So we have flour. Now you can use this with oat flour. You can buy that or make that on your own. Some
just
cinnamon.
grind the oats, sure.
Yep.
Yeah, exactly.
Baking powder. And some brown sugar. Okay, so once we mix that up, we're going to move over here to our wet ingredients. So we have eggs, we've got vegetable oil, we have milk, and then we're going to add some of our homemade applesauce.
Okay, cool. And the carrots too, right?
Yeah, so these carrots, we like to make a huge batch of them so that throughout the week we can make more of these pancakes, or we can add them to our salads or our wraps for a nice boost.
Yeah, a lot of the recipes in our cookbook are great for meal prep. So these you can just put them in the freezer, and for an on-the-go snack or an easy breakfast, you just put them in the toaster.
The toaster oven, great.
Yeah. Okay, moving over here, we have our finished batter. And now we don't like to buy our own shredded carrots because we find that they're too dense.
Right.
They're too thick and they don't cook well.
So you just grate them on your box grater.
Yep, or we have, if you have a Cuisinart, there's a special attachment and you can do it right there.
And I can just shred them there.
Yes, and it's about 1 bag of baby carrots or 2.5 big carrots.
Yeah. All right, so you just plop these onto the...
And that's cute. You use a scoop so that every
scooper.
Pancake is
the
the same
same.
size.
It's
Great.
one of our
Easy, too.
favorite tools in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, and a nice tip to know about when you're cooking these, after you flip them, press down on them a little, and if any batter oozes out, they're not done. But if they don't, they're done, and you're good to go.
Yeah. All right, and the finished product
Aren't they amazing? I mean, everything they say, it's like, they only talk in kitchen tips.
All right, and the finished product is right over here.
So you've got some right down here. Do you want to bring down some of the extra applesauce?
Oh, sure. Yeah, you can
like-
top these with applesauce. You know, this recipe actually came. Our parents' wedding cake was carrot cake, and we love carrot cake so much. So we were like, why not have it for breakfast?
Adapt it so you can have it for breakfast every day. That's fun.
Exactly, and healthier version.